Good morning everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I picked the camera up, so this is a bit different. I've come up to Pontypool today, up to a coal washery. I'll put down below in the description what washery it was for. So I'll just show you around. It's a little bit of dedicated parking by there, and down that way is a private road apparently. And some people do park on the road, which is fair enough, it's plenty wide enough. Beautiful day today in January. And that's the way we got to go to get to it. Normally this gate is closed and locked, but some tree cutters just went up there now and unlocked it. You can see we haven't come far up this trail, but I just spotted this oddly shaped tree by there. So we're on our way down that trail and we've just come across a bit of a memorial. There's beautiful stones here with carvings in them. I'll try and keep my shadows out the way. I mean, they're depicting accidents, so I'm guessing they had some up here. And there's some benches up here by there as well. And another sculpture when I get out the sun. So I'm guessing these are some old filled in shafts which are right by the memorial. There's another one just up by there. Yeah, so this one's another filled in shaft by the looks, but this one's sunk a little bit. It is in a beautiful area, mind you, in a valley. And there is more evidence of mining. As you can see what looks like spoil by there. And here's the view of the valley. It's beautiful now in January 15th or 16th I think it is. You can imagine the place in the summer. So as you can see by there was an accident, or two accidents, in 1890 which killed 176 men and boys. And just there you can see the name of the pit, Llanerch pit. And this is the names of the men that did die. So we'll carry on now from this memorial and see if we can find this washery. We're only about 2 or 3 minutes further down the path and there's another mine shaft that's been filled in right by there. So there are quite a few of these scattered around. But it does look like they've done a good job filling them all in rather than just leaving open mine shafts. And we're now another probably 5 minutes further down the path and there's the foundations and remains of something, I couldn't tell you what. You can see there are a lot of places in the concrete where structures would have been anchored down. And there's some up on there as well. It is a shame when you come across a historic site such as this and just find remains of old buildings. There's quite a big building by here that's been demolished and just left here. I don't know if you can see or not with the sun, but on that far mountain over there you can just see all the black spoil. So it's a very active area. There's a lot left, but there's also not a lot left, if you know what I mean. And the council are just down over there cutting some trees up. So there we go, guys, that's the remains of the colliery and the washery in Abersychan. I can't quite recall what it was called now. Llanerch, I think. I showed it earlier on anyway. So let me know what you thought down below. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me see you on the next one, guys. Bye bye for now.